Hello students, this is Fundamental of Human Geography Class 12 textbooks and we are going to start chapter 4 Human Development. So let's start the chapter. The chapter start with the two important keywords that are growth and development. We need to know the meaning of these two keywords. So let's check the meaning of growth and development with the question that do growth and development mean the same thing? The answer is no. Both growth and development refers to change over a period of time. But there is a difference between growth and development. The difference is that growth is quantitative and have neutral value. It may have a positive or negative sign. This means that the change may be either positive or negative. But development means a qualitative change which is always value positive. Development cannot take place unless there is an increment or addition to the existing condition. Development occurs when positive growth Development occurs when positive growth takes place. Yet positive growth does not always lead to development. Development occurs when there is a positive change in the quality. Hence, there is a relationship between growth and development is that when growth is positive, there will be a development.
Growth and development. In this module, you will learn about the concept of growth and development. Changes over a period are referred to as growth or development. The words growth and development are often used together and is easily assumed that they happen at the same time. However, do they mean the same? Not really. So, what is the difference? First, let us discuss growth. Growth is quantitative and its value neutral with a positive or negative sign. This means that the change can be positive or negative, indicating an increase or decrease respectively. To put it in simple words, when a thing grows, it shows an increase in something that can be measured or counted. On the other hand, development is a qualitative change or an improvement which always has a positive value. This is because development cannot take place unless there is an increment or addition to the existing conditions. Both growth and development are interlinked. Development occurs when positive growth takes place. However, positive growth does not always lead to development. Alternately, development occurs when there is a positive change in quality. Thus, we can say that though growth and development affect each other, they are not independent of each other. Here is an example to explain the concept better. Example: if the population of a city grows from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs over a period of time, we say the city has grown. However, if there is no increase in facilities like housing, provision of basic services, and if the other characteristics remain the same, then we can say that this growth has not been accompanied by development. Over the decades, the level of development of a country was measured only in terms of its economic growth. As a result, bigger the economy of the country, the more developed it was considered. This was irrespective of whether this growth in economy brought out any changes in the lives of the majority. The two South Asian economists, Dr. Mehboob-ul-Haq and Amartya Sen, introduced the concept of human development. Later, during the late 80s and early 90s, came the thought that the quality of life people enjoy in a country, the opportunities they have, and the freedom they enjoy are significant aspects of development. In this module, you have learned changes over a period of time can be referred to as growth and development. Growth is quantitative and its value neutral with a positive or negative sign. Development is a qualitative change which always has a positive value. positive growth does not always lead to development. Alternately, development occurs when positive growth takes place. Over the decades, the level of development of a country was measured only in terms of its economic growth, irrespective of whether this growth brought out any changes in the lives of most people. The two South Asian economists, Dr. Mehboob-ul-Haq and Amartya Sen, introduced the concept of human development.